Hello, Algebra 1 students. This is Mrs. Mayer, and I'm here to preview our next unit. So, what we're going to be doing is reviewing what we did previously because we're starting systems of equations in this next unit. So, first semester we were dealing with one line, and now we're going to be dealing with two lines. So, this is a review lesson. In order to be a solution to a linear equation, the ordered pair must lie on the line when we're looking at a picture, or it must make the equation true if we're looking at an equation. Okay, so if we're looking over here at the first example, -3, 8 is x comma y is our ordered pair, and all we're going to do is plug in -3 for x and 8 for y. So I'm going to replace x with -3, I'm going to replace y with 8, and I'm going to see if that makes this equation true. So 8 equals -3 plus 11. 8 equals 8. So this would be yes. What that means is that the point -3, 8 lies on the line y equals x plus 11. If we look at example B, we're going to do the same thing. This is my x value, this is my y value. 2 is going to replace the x, and -3 is going to replace the y. What's important to note here is that the minus sign is part of the equation. So this becomes 3 times 2 minus a -3 equals 3. 3 times 2 is 6 plus a +3 equals 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 does not equal 3. So this is not a solution because it is not a true statement. Now we're going to look at a graph. To determine if ordered pairs are a solution to a graph, we have to make sure we know which points lie on the line. That's what it's asking you when it says, is it a solution? So 3, 0, the point 3, 0 is right here. This is on the line, so this is yes. The point 0, 3 is right here. This is not on the line, so this is no. And the point -3, -4 is right here. This is on the line, so this is yes. Finally, we are recalling how to write the equation of a line from a graph, which is the unit we just tested on. So hopefully we remember this. I can see my y-intercept right here, which is -2. So that means I'm going to use slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Then I'm going to count my slope, which is up 2 and right 3, because slope is rise over run. I went up 2 and right 3. That gives me a slope of 2/3. So when I write my equation, this is y equals 2/3 x minus 2. Now you're going to complete the practice activity based on this video. Have a great weekend!